Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Weather Underground Headquarters Center. Weather Underground, that the headquarters center is that the company is a commercial weather services providing real-time weather information over your internet. Weather Underground providing the weather report for most major your cities across the world on its website, as well as the local weather reported for the newspaper and the third party sites. Its information comes from the National Weather Services. It's called NWS, and over the 250,000 personal weather stations. This site is available in many kind of the languages, and the customer can access an ad-free version of of this site with additional feature of an annual fee. Weather Underground is owned by the Weather Company, a subsidiary of IBM. This company is based in the San Francisco. It is in California. It founded in there the 1995. This company is the offshoot of the University of the Michigan Internet Weather Database. So that the name of the references to that 1916 militant radical student group of the Weather Underground, which also to be originated at the University of Michigan. Weather Underground Incorporated company who just become a commercial entity separated from the university. It has grown to provide the weather for the print sources in additional to its online presences in 2005. The Weather Underground became the weather provider for the Associated Press. Weather Underground also providing the weather development and reported for the some of the newspaper, including the San Francisco and Google of the search engine. This company was Weather Channel announced that it would acquire Underground, which would become operated as part of the Weather Channel Companies LLC, which was later renamed the Weather Company. The Weather Underground website continues to operate as a separate entity from the Weather Channel premium site. The weather.com, with its existing staff retaining the third party web analytic providing Alexa and the similar of the web rate, the site as the 117th and the 98th the most visited site in the United States. The site only also to be happen launch a television shows hosting by the meteorologist Mike Battles, and which air on the weather channels from the 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. external expected during of the storms coverages, in which case that the show enhancing and extended to the 9 p.m. to be 10 p.m. This company Jeff Master announced that the will be leaving of the it will be leaving Weather Underground. So it is started that the blog, and weblogs are one of the main features in the Weather Underground, who just allowing to users of this site to create the blog about the weather and every day, every life, and anything else whatever they did it. Jeff Mercer started the first blog on the April 2005, and he posted the blog entire nearly every day. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this, then please like and share and keep supporting to us. So guys, thank you for watching.